Here we have another delicious carnivore meal. Beef liver with some onions, just a bit of red onions, give it some flavour. The liver's packed with flavour and probably the most nutrient dense food that you can get. It's got every macronutrient and nutrient you could ever need. Just adding a bit of sea salt for flavour. Delicious meal. I'm still 6 hours later from my breakfast and full, so meal number 2, which will probably be my last meal for the day. Just shows carnivore doesn't have to be expensive. Liver is super cheap, full of protein. Just don't eat it every day, otherwise you'll overload on B vitamins. Enjoy. See you in the next video.